I'm a connector.
I'm a connector.
I'm a connector.
I'm a connector.
I'm a connector. I am.
Your future.
Your future.
Our future.
Our future.
Money, opportunity, and dreams.
Get connected to your neighbor, to your coworker, to someone you may not even know.
4.5 million Californians are living in poverty.
Become a connector and help empower all families,
no matter where they may come from or what their challenges may be. Get connected and make a difference today. Go to www.weconnect.net today and find out how you can become a connector.